Hey guys, Josh Lucas, coach here at Taylor Kia. I have another coach's tip for you. Right now, times are changing. The way that you buy a car is changing as well. So my coach's tip would probably be, don't be afraid to let the salesperson kind of walk you through the process. There's a lot of different things that you can do right now, or that you may need to do right now that you didn't have to do in the past. For instance, things like pre-ordering vehicles, and especially if you have a specific vehicle in mind, the availability is just not there right now. So keep in mind when you come into the door that we're here to work with you on your behalf, and sometimes there might be some things that you haven't had to do in the past just based on the market, but we're going to take good care of you. So come on in, see me. 419-345-0181 is my number. I'm the coach. I'm ready to get to work for you.